Certain types of loans have minimal requirements and offer fast funding, but they are often more expensive as a result. If you need to borrow money, you may be able to get a fast and easy loan or a cheap loan, but probably not both. The easiest loans to get approved for may help you get the cash you need quickly, but there are pitfalls to avoid as well as fine print that you should read carefully before you move forward. The best emergency loans for bad credit offer you fast funding for a car repair, medical bill, or something else. 1. Payday loans. Payday loans are a type of funding that require you to pay back what you owe on your next payday. Hence the name. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau (CFPB), there are no set rules that govern which loans are considered payday loans. Although all loans in this category tend to be short-term in nature and exorbitantly expensive. Most payday loans are for $500 or less, and these loans require a post-dated check that has you paying off the loan balance the next time you expect to get paid by an employer or through other means like Social Security. The biggest problem with payday loans is the fact that, because they're often short-term with no credit check required, borrowers can wind up paying interest rates of 400% or higher in the end. Because of the high costs, payday loan users often get caught in a payday loan trap, where they are stuck borrowing over and over again to keep up with expenses and bills. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. What are the costs and fees for a payday loan? 2. No credit check loans. No credit check loans can also be referred to as bad credit loans, mostly because they are taken out by people who couldn't get approved based on their credit score. Because most lenders require a minimum credit score of at least 670 for traditional personal loans. This means no credit check loans are geared to borrowers with scores below that range. 3. Unsecured personal loans. If you have a fair credit score, which includes FICO scores from 580 to 669, you may be able to qualify for an unsecured personal loan from a traditional lender. My FICO. What is a credit score, however? Individuals with scores at the lower end of that range will find fewer available options overall, and they may not like what they see when they check. For example, One Main Financial is known for offering unsecured personal loans for individuals with imperfect credit. However, interest rates for their installment loans can be as high as 35.99%, and they charge origination fees of up to 10% of the loan amount. Because unsecured personal loans for fair credit come with less than ideal terms, they are often referred to as emergency loans. This means you should only get one in an emergency. If you truly need the money, and if better options aren't available when you need them. 4. Retirement plan loans. If you desperately need money, and you have some retirement savings built up in a traditional plan, you may be able to borrow from your own assets. With a 401k loan, for example, you can borrow from your account balance without a credit check. From there, you pay back what you borrowed to your own account, plus interest, over time. That said, the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) has some warnings about 401k loans. First off, not paying back the loan according to its terms can mean the money you borrow becomes a distribution from your account. You also may be required to pay back the loan in full almost immediately if you leave your job. You're also siphoning funds from your account that are supposed to be compounding over time to help pay for your retirement. For all these reasons and others, borrowing from your 401k should only be done as a last resort. 5. Pawnshop loans. Finally, you also can pawn items you don't need at a pawn shop and get access to cash that way. This move has you agreeing to loan terms that are never in your favor. Although the rates and terms of pawnshop loans vary widely, When you pawn an item, or let a pawnshop hold it temporarily in exchange for cash, you won't get anywhere close to the value of your item. The pawnshop also has the right to sell your item if you don't repay the loan based on the original terms that you agreed to. That said, pawnshop loans don't require a credit check and are easy to get approved for if you have anything of value that you can stand to lose. For example, you could take out a pawnshop loan with old jewelry or electronics as collateral.